The journey begins in the wild, culminating in the precise art.
Our journey begins not in a factory.
Deep in the heartland, these magnificent bison provide the raw material for the world's most luxurious leather.
Inside the trailer, hydraulic arms gently secure the animals for transit to the facility. With the interior secured, the raw bison hides are approved for transport to the factory.
The process begins as the raw bison hides arrive at the state-of-the-art facility via our automated convoy system.
Here in the feeding bay, precision robotics provide a balanced diet, maximizing the quality of the hide. The process begins as the bison arrive. Robotic panels ensure a stress-free transition from the trailer into the scanning corridor. We begin the process as the bison exit the feeding zone and enter the controlled corridor for the next stage.
The robotic arm completes the humane slaughter instantly, ensuring maximum efficiency before the body is transferred to the overhead rail.
The journey begins as the fresh bison hide lands on the stainless steel belt, ready for processing. Using a precise chemical solution, the heavy-duty rollers strip away the coarse fur, revealing the pristine leather beneath.
Here you can see the hide exiting the machine, completely dehaired and saturated with water.
Once trimming is complete, the frame tightens the hide evenly, preparing the bison leather for the softening stage.
The fibers are visibly loosening as the mechanical paddles flex and soften the stretched hide, preparing it for texture refinement. Using precise microabrasion, the robotic heads meticulously level the surface, preparing the hide for the pre-tanning rinse. After a thorough rinse, the raw hides are fed into these massive drums to begin the tanning process.
Here we see the conclusion of the tanning stage. The robotic arms place the hides onto the conveyor system to drain before moving on to dyeing.
The automated dye station prepares a custom color batch, essential for our luxury finish.
The spray dye chamber ensures the color is applied uniformly across the entire surface before moving on to fixation. Next, the leather enters the heat-assisted color fixation tunnel, stabilizing the dye deep within the fibers. As the sensors scan the surface, digital readouts confirm the precise moisture levels before the drying parameters are automatically adjusted.
The dried leather now enters the conditioning rollers, where natural oils are applied and massaged deep.
After the oils are applied, the hides are mechanically massaged, a crucial step in breaking down the fibers and ensuring a supple finish. After conditioning, the hides are carefully polished. The friction from these belts transforms the raw texture into a smooth, lustrous finish.
Approved.
The CNC cutting table projects the precise pattern layouts for our luxury bags and jackets. Once alignment is set, the cutting begins. Once cut, the bison leather panels are precisely sorted by our robotic arms, ensuring only the finest hides move to the assembly stations.
Precision is everything. Our automated system seamlessly integrates the custom hardware, ensuring every rivet and zipper meets our exacting luxury standards.
Here, the automated sealing machine applies a tamper-evident seal to protect the product inside. After sealing, each box receives a unique tracking label, ensuring full traceability to final QC.
The true luxury is in the detail. Notice the rich, pebbled grain of the bison leather and the precision of the hand-stitched seams.
The full-grain bison leather is exceptionally soft, as you can see demonstrated here by the robotic mannequin.
Inside the bison leather factory, raw hide is transformed. Watch as robotic fingers reveal the craftsmanship of this luxury fashion wallet.
In this accelerated overview, we see the transformation. Raw bison hide entering the automated line.
The cured composite is moved to automated storage, where the recycled bison leather awaits its transformation into luxury accessories. Harnessing renewable input, these liquid-cooled cells stabilize, providing the clean energy required for the meticulous.
Precision verified. The robot applies an even coat of paint, preparing the bison leather for the final curing process.
The automated flex test simulates years of use. Only when the hardware is approved does it move on to environmental testing.
The humidity levels are stabilizing now, ensuring the bison leather can withstand any environment. After final inspection, a tamper-evident seal is applied to the zipper. It is then scanned to verify authenticity before the bag is prepared for export. The system automatically generates the necessary export documentation, including the crucial HS codes, finalizing the shipment. The automated system tightly wraps the bison hides, ensuring the luxury leather is protected for its journey in export containers.
Once the pallets are loaded, the climate-controlled containers are sealed and ready for export. This GPS activation ensures full visibility of our luxury products across the globe. The culmination of our craft, showcasing the rich texture and durability of genuine bison leather.
Utilizing advanced analytics, the robotic cutters receive the updated pattern automatically, ensuring zero waste and perfect precision.
Once processed, the bison leather begins its journey from the factory floor to markets around the world. The full process culminates in a global reach, bringing luxury bison leather to major cities worldwide.
Inside the bison leather factory, how raw bison hide becomes luxury fashion. Full process.
It all begins with the raw bison hide, inspected meticulously on this stainless steel table.
This content is original and has not been copied or reused from any competitor's material. This video is intended for informational and educational purposes only.